Installing a LED mirror is a great way to add some style and functionality to your bathroom. LED mirrors are energy efficient, long-lasting, and provide a clear and bright reflection. Here are some steps to help you install an LED mirror. First, you need to prepare your electrical wiring for the LED mirror. You can either hardwire the mirror to an existing wall switch or use a plug-in cord. Make sure you turn off the power before working with any wires. Next, you need to measure and mark the location where you want to hang the LED mirror. Use a tape measure, a level, and a pencil to mark the center point and the height of the mirror. Then, you need to attach the mounting bracket to the wall using screws and a drill. The mounting bracket is usually a metal plate or two angle brackets that come with the LED mirror. After that, you need to make the electrical connections for the LED mirror. Depending on your wiring option, you can either connect the wires from the mirror to the wires from the wall using wire nuts or plug the cord into an outlet. Finally, you need to hang the LED mirror on the mounting bracket and secure it with screws or clips. You can use a helper to hold the mirror while you fasten it to the wall. To test if the LED mirror works, turn on the power and switch on the light. You can also adjust the brightness or color temperature of the LED light using a touch sensor or a remote control.